What's going on, everybody? This is day 35 on the path to $30,000 a month or $1,000 a day. Today's gonna be a very short video. I'm just gonna get a couple orders out ready to get out shipped out tomorrow, because this whole day we were setting up my fireplace slash bed sheet slash TV area to chill at. And so you've already seen this. I put the wall up, got the sofa here, retro seats. My parents absolutely killed it. They helped me out with this. And then over here, which is not very clean right now, so please don't bash me, but got a butcher block table, leather wrap chairs, and then put up these two shelves here and put my plates and all that. Anything that looks nice, I put there. So yeah, I just wanted to show you where we're at with the reno. And then we got the bar area. Yeah, it's really chill. I'm really excited. I'm really stoked how this is turning out. I want to do a chandelier up here. It should look pretty cool. But yeah, so if you don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been running like 3 businesses for the past 3.5 years. And I want to show you the ins and outs of business. And also, if you want to start a business, you can see the back end of the business. It's not all roses. As you'll see in the videos, if you want to go back, you can see my day 1 on path to $30,000 a month. We hit $20,000 or a little over $20,000 last month. So hopefully we can hit 30K this month. So anyways, let's get started with the video. We're gonna just do some orders and then that'll be it. And then I'll show you yesterday's revenue and how much money we made. All right, honestly, my room was absolutely atrocious. And so I started cleaning up some stuff. I ended up not cleaning up everything, but you know, even getting 10% cleaned up just helps so much. All right, so super unfortunate. How do I show this? So if you see it's flashing here, it says my ink pad needs to be changed. My printer needs to be serviced, so my printer is useless. I'm glad this happened today and not Monday. So I actually have to go to Best Buy right now and get a new printer. Good thing I have a protection plan, but still kind of sucks. I'm still gonna buy another one with a protection plan. This thing only lasted like since November, so I may get a better one. So wish me luck. Yeah, all right, that's where I'm at right now. So I don't know if I can finish the video. All right, so we got the same printer, the EcoTank ET2800. I mean, it's an all right printer, and I just paid $30 for another protection plan. So basically this was a $30 machine, and if it ever goes out again, $30. So, but it only lasted a few months, so I may have to get a better printer at some point. But at the same time, we're trying to get the supplier to do all the work, and then I had to ship them in. So, all right, so we're back to getting stickers created. We were printing out, and I actually ended up making this video short. I ended up going to a dinner, and so it is now 9:54 p.m. as I'm recording this video, doing a voiceover. So yeah, I mean, just, you know, it was. Tomorrow I'll finish up these stickers. You'll see at the very end here that I ended up not finishing them, and that's why. It's because I went to dinner. Yeah, so I ended up going to dinner, so I didn't finish up my decals. It is 9:44 p.m. tonight, so I'm sorry if this comes out super late. I know some people are expecting this. This should have been out earlier, but it's not, and I'm sorry. But tonight is over, and so let's go over yesterday's revenue right now. Thank you so much for watching. All right, so eBay, we made $12.63, and then for Amazon we made $397.14, so not bad. And then yesterday's total came out to $410. All right, so we made $2,300 this month. You know, we should be around the 5K mark, but 5K mark, but you know what? It's all good. This is how we learn, we get better, we grow, and we have more stuff coming into the warehouse. So if you enjoyed this video and you've never watched this before, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And also, I make a video every single day. Tomorrow will be day 36. So I would love to see you all there. I love your comments. I love your energy that you give me. It helps me keep going. It's really hard doing this every day, to be honest. It makes me super tired, but you guys being there and supporting me and making me stoked and seeing you guys getting after it means a lot. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your Sunday, and I'll see you tomorrow, Monday, for day 36. See you then.